Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So friends, today we have Kajal Mehta with us, and she has got selected in Infosys. So first of all, I wanted to congratulate her. So congratulations, Kajal.
Thank
And
you, sir.
yeah, and today she is here, and she will be sharing her written and interview experiences with all of you, and that will be definitely very much beneficial for your upcoming Infosys interview. So, Kajal, please let us know about yourself, and then slowly we will be starting with your experience.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. I am Kajal Mehta. I belong from Almora, Uttarakhand, and currently staying in Sindhudurga, Maharashtra. I am an ETC graduate, and I am willing to join Infosys, which is an reputed IT company.
We wanted to know about your written examination because many of the students, those who are going to write the exam in coming future. So basically, how was the written examination? How many rounds were there, and what was the difficulty level? How did you prepare? Yeah.
Yes, sir. The written exam consisted of 5 sections. Quantitative aptitude, which comprised of 10 questions to be completed in 35 minutes, and logical reasoning, which comprised of 15 questions to be completed in 25 minutes, and verbal ability, which consists of 20 questions to be completed in 20 minutes. Then next was pseudocode, which consisted of 5 questions to be completed in 10 minutes, and last one was the puzzle test. It consisted of 4 questions to be completed in 10 minutes. So overall, it was fairly moderate, and there is no negative marking for Infosys, but there is sectional cutoff for each section. 70 to 80% must be scored well. So I wrote the exam very well, and I got the result on 26th May.
Okay, when did you write the exam?
16th May.
Oh, 16th May you write the exam, and you got the result on 26th of.
Yes.
Okay, so you
May.
are. Yeah, okay. So we are from which background? I mean, what was your stream?
Electronics and telecommunication.
Oh, so in spite
Engineer.
of electronics and telecommunication, you cleared the Infosys test. So that's really good because many students, they feel difficult that I'm not from, a core IT branches, and then they feel
Yeah.
difficulty. So how did you, prepare for each and every round, like aptitude, reasoning, pseudocode, puzzles, and
Yeah,
verbal
actually,
ability?
it was difficult for me too also, but I searched various videos and I wasted my time there only for searching the videos. But because of you, online study for you channel, such a reputed channel, it really helped me a lot. And as I belong from ETC background, no, so switching to IT company is really a little bit challenging.
True.
But because of your videos and your Infosys, that material, interview material, I was able to I was able to crack the exam and interview.
Okay. And how was the verbal ability part? Because this time, no, they had exam a week back.
Yeah.
Yes. So students were telling, sir,
Yes,
other
means
sections.
for that now. The grammar and vocabulary part, it is most important. We must be means we have to prepare that very well. And if our communication skills are better, and if our grammar and vocabulary part is best, then it's easy to crack that verbal ability section. Yeah, actually, I didn't prepare for verbal ability and all. Instead, I prepared for this pseudocode for Capgemini. So it helped me in Infosys also. And puzzle test, I have practiced 60 puzzles. From there, only 4 puzzles they came.
Oh, so out of 60. Okay, great,
Yeah.
great. So because last year the puzzle was tough, and this year the verbal ability part was little tough, but the puzzle was little easy. So that's what, like, we were expecting this year the cutoffs would be around. I mean, more than 70, because last year it was 70%, and so yeah. So this year, like, it should be little more than that. Okay, great. So Pajal, how did you practice? So that is, see, why I'm asking you all this question, because there are many students, they waste their time searching the materials here and there, and they end up not getting selected. And also, how many days you prepared for this exam?
Actually, after facing rejection from Capgemini, I have decided that I have to get selected in Infosys only. So according to that, I was preparing for my aptitude and my logical reasoning section. Puzzle, I practiced it in 2 days. I practiced 60 puzzles in 2 days only for puzzle test. Only 2 days I gave, and in that I practiced
What
my
was the
puzzles.
source of getting the puzzles? Like you said, 60 puzzles you practiced.
Yeah, sir, from your channel, online study for you, YouTube only. YouTube was my source.
Okay, great, great.
And nothing, I didn't join any course and all.
Mhm. Okay, so 26th of May, you got the result of your written examination, and then when was
Yes.
your interview scheduled?
Yeah, on 4th of June, I got the mail that I'm selected for the interview, and my interview will be scheduled on 5th June. So I have purchased your Infosys interview preparation material. So with the
Okay.
help of that, I was able to crack that.
Okay, so now if you can tell me like what all questions were asked, because Infosys will have only one round of interview. So generally they merge tech,
Yeah.
tech and HR round. So what was the question asked from you in the Infosys interview? Because you're from, as you said, E&T background, electronics and telecommunication background. So please let us know the question which was asked.
First, a basic question like "Tell me about yourself" was asked to me,
Mhm,
and this the answer of this must be given very confidently. After that, he asked me about my background, and he asked me in my resume I have mentioned that I am interested in networking. So
mhm,
he asked me the questions related to networking: what is IP address, what is a switch, router, difference between them,
mhm,
and then he asked me about the detail of my project, final year project.
mhm,
What was my role in that project, he asked me. And he asked me about IoT, why IoT is important today
mhm,
in today's era, that
mhm,
way.
mhm,
And then he moved to which programming skills you know. So I just told him that I know basic C and basic Python. So
mhm,
he asked me what is header file in
mhm.
C language. So he was happy with that. Yeah, that much.
Okay.
And moving to HR questions, he asked me about means why you got less percentage in 12th standard as compared to 10th standard, because 12th standard I scored 61.69%. That's why he asked me that those questions, and about my family background.
Okay. So for how much time the interview was there? Like almost.
Actually, the interview was for 20 minutes, but the server problem was there,
Mhm.
so it went for 1 hour. Half an hour I was waiting patiently.
Okay, 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 okay. Okay, great. So you have answered all the queries, and definitely it will be helpful for the other student also, because there are many students those who are also eager to know when their result will come. So 26 was your result for written examination. So when
Hmm.
did they call you for interview?
On 4th June, they told me that your interview has been scheduled on 5th June.
Okay, so for the student, those who are waiting for the your result, so it takes almost 10 days, like as Kajal told. So she wrote on 16th of May and she got the result on 26th of May. And after you get the written result, then again you have to wait for almost 10 days for your interview to be scheduled. And the more important thing, so 5th of June was her interview, and she got the offer letter. I mean, she got the selection mail, final selection mail after 2 months. So there were many students who got it immediately, but Kajal has got after 2 months. So you need to wait. So patience is very much required. So yeah, so congratulations once again, Kajal, for all this information. This will definitely help, many of the student,
Thank you, sir.
those who are waiting.
Yeah.
So thanks a lot for coming to our platform and guiding a student through.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.